Planners, it's Teo ShawntePlans, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be planning for the week of August 3rd to the 9th and using the Stand Tall kit from Crafts by Thaowie. I'm really excited about this week's plan with me because it is a collab with my dear friend Tiff, who is TiffsPlanIt, and her video will be linked in the description box below. And so if you haven't had a chance to see it yet after you finish watching this video, make sure you head over to her channel. And if you are coming over to my channel from her channel, hello there and welcome. So these are the full boxes for this kit. I love this artwork. I adore the pumpkins and the sunflowers, and when I first saw this kit I thought this would be so great for late summer, and so I'm really excited to finally get a chance to use it. And also because of this bottom washi, I don't even know what to say. It's just so beautifully designed. I love the strung lights over the sunflowers. It's just gorgeous, and I'm so sorry because if you didn't get a chance to get this kit, it's not in her shop anymore, but she always comes out with the most amazing and beautiful kits. So if you're interested in this kit, unfortunately it's not available anymore, but she's got some really cute stuff in her shop now, so definitely a shop to watch. Anyways, we got full boxes here, bottom washi here, date covers, and then single bow headers. On this page we've got half boxes, some cut washi, and page flags. And on this page we've got quarter boxes, habit trackers, a weekly cleaning tracker, our weekly tracker, some icons, and 2 sets of printed headers. And this one is so cute. I love how simplistic this is with just like the little sunflower just on either side of this header. So super cute kit. It's foiled in gold foil, and I cannot wait to get this on the page. So let's go ahead and get started putting this spread down. Okay, so Tiff and I are going to be doing a Q&A for this video, and we decided that the theme we wanted was to be health and fitness, because I don't know about you, but I think they're calling it the quarantine 15, which I've not gained 15 pounds, but it's definitely, and then for me actually, quarantine started pretty normal. I think July was about the point at which I completely lost hope. And it started to settle in. This is going to be this whole year. So, I'm definitely working on focusing more on my health and fitness this month, because the last month, yeah, your girl was eating just a lot of everything and anything. So anyways, let's get into these questions. First one, what kind of workouts do you typically do? I really like doing ballet bar workouts. It's been what I've been doing a lot lately. They're a lot of fun. You can find them on YouTube, and I will have a link in the description box to the ones that I do most commonly, and that way you guys can check it out if you're interested. I also my husband got me a portable ballet bar as one of my gifts for my graduation, which was so sweet and kind, and I was not expecting that one. He surprised me with that, so I've just making my ballet bar workouts even more fun. Next question, do you prefer working out at home, the gym, or outside? I prefer working out at home, and that is something that has been like pre-quarantine for me. I've always preferred working out at home. If I have to come home from work, get dressed, and then go to the gym, it's never going to happen. If I have to or even if I'm not at work, if I have to leave my house to go somewhere else to work out, that is all the reason I need to just be like, nah, I'll pass. I'm good. It's not going to happen. Next question, what motivates you to work out? For me, a lot of times I gotta say it's clothes, which kind of sounds shallow, but hear me out. I love fashion. I love clothes. I love getting dressed. And so I like shopping for clothes. And so I get motivated to work out because I know that when I look a certain way in my clothes and I'm like in shape better, it makes me happier. And so that's just for me personally. Fashion is a strong motivator to work out. And health, my overall general health, which is probably way more important than fashion. Okay, definitely more on the serious side, because literally this time last year I was hospitalized, and I had been in the hospital. I went in the hospital on like August 4th, and I was there till the 14th. I was there for 10 days. So I was having very serious health complications, and no matter what kind of health issues you're having, being obese and overweight totally exacerbates any type of health issues you're having. And so for me, it definitely staying on top of my weight and is about me staying healthy and not being sick. So that's a much better, much more serious motivator
And of course, my first thought was super shallow. And then I had to realize, no, you've got a much stronger motivator than that, Shawnte. Alrighty, on to the next question. Have you tried any diets? If so, which ones? I'm not much of a big dieter, but I did at one point in my life try Weight Watchers. I stuck with it for a very short while, and then and it didn't work. And it's one of those things where it's like they work short term, but they don't have lasting impacts. And so for me, what I found that the best thing that I can do is find whatever I'm going to be able to do consistently, whatever type of workout, whatever type of eating habits I can make just sort of a lifestyle for me. Always just works better than a diet. Next question: what is my favorite healthy food? Um, I don't know. I guess like salads, I think are healthy. And that depends on what kind of salad you have, I guess. Um, I like fish. Fish can be very healthy, like grilled fish. Um, and fruit. Fruit is healthy. Maybe I don't know what healthy food is. Maybe that's a problem. I don't know how to answer this question. But let's go with like grilled fish. That feels like a good healthy food answer, like grilled salmon or something. What is my favorite cheat day food? Pizza. Oh, that is so easy. Pizza all day, every day. If there were some way that pizza was healthy and like could give me all the nutrients and everything I needed to live and survive, I would eat pizza for breakfast, lunch, and dinner every day for the rest of my life. It's just not an option. It should be, but it's not. Um, Favorite restaurant for healthy eating? Let's see. I really like the Veggie Grill, which is like vegetarian, but it's the best veggie burger I've ever had in my life because it does not. You cannot tell that you're eating a veggie burger. It's really good. Oh, another one is the California Fish Grill. I guess I associate fish with healthy eating, but but they have really good like grilled fish, and then I'll get like their grilled fish with Brussels sprouts, and then they do like a really good street corn, and it is delicious. I love it. So yeah, those two places for like my to go out to like eating healthy out. I really enjoy both of those places. Do you eat vegetarian, pescatarian, or vegan? I have eaten all of them. I have never been vegetarian, pescatarian, or vegan, but I have eaten vegetarian food. I've eaten in vegan restaurants, and have eaten pescatarian because that's basically just eating like fish rather than meat. So I don't personally live any of them as a lifestyle, but I enjoy eating all those different types of cuisines. Do you have any food allergies? I have very mild allergy to cantaloupe, which is weird because it makes like my tongue and my throat itch. And I get the same thing with avocados, which it's an interesting thing with avocados because it's like sometimes and sometimes not. And I am somebody who really loves guacamole. So I chance it with avocados. I don't chance it with cantaloupe. I just eat honeydew melon because it's, in my opinion, better. It's the same thing, you know, gives you that same melon satisfaction. But with avocados, I chance it all the time with guacamole. But again, it's mild. All it does is make my throat and my tongue itch. It's not like my throat's going to swell and shut up. So it's worth chancing that allergy. Would you rather have no sugar for a month or no salt for a month? No sugar, because I'm not giving up potatoes. I love like potatoes, French fries, like savory type foods. Yeah, I can't. I can't let that go. Would you rather run up 100 flights of stairs or do hot Pilates for an hour? Hot Pilates for an hour. Or maybe stairs. I like doing the elliptical, which is kind of a simulation of like going upstairs, but God, running up 100 flights of stairs sounds like misery. Oh yeah, I'm gonna do hot Pilates. Would you rather hike for an hour or rope climb? Hike for an hour. I have no upper body strength, none whatsoever. I would get maybe halfway up that rope and would not be able to get the rest of the way up. And then I'm also afraid of heights. So I'd get halfway up the rope, freak out, not want to be able to come down, not be able to go up, and just be paralyzed, stuck on a rope. And then because I have no upper body strength, I'd fall off the rope and probably break my neck. Okay, I didn't realize how dangerous this question was when I made it up. This is terrible. That's not going to end well. Anyways, on to the next. If you could only choose one, yoga pants or leggings? Leggings. Yeah, definitely leggings. If you could never have one ever again, soda or coffee? Oh, I don't care. I don't drink soda or coffee. They can both go. Yeah. But between the two of them, I think coffee is less horrible for your health. Next question. Do you use a Fitbit or Apple Watch or any type of digital watch to track your fitness? I do not. I do not. So, and I actually have no interest in them. My husband has a Fitbit and he really likes his. I just don't care that much. I feel like I monitor my fitness and my health in I wouldn't say a lazy way, but in a very relaxed way. And I have to be that way when it comes to my health. I'm very overly analytical about so many other things in my life. And I know if I let myself do that with health, I'll drive myself nuts and it won't be enjoyable. And what I've found works best for me, just finding ways to make fitness just feel like a normal part of my routine and my life without making it just like its own project or like this thing that is just like I have to do. I enjoy the process more and it just feels more a normal part of my life. If I start tracking things and counting calories and doing stuff like that, I will drive myself crazy. Next question. Have you gained or lost weight in quarantine? Both. Because I actually have been doing really well with like my health and fitness this year. And so at the beginning of quarantine, I was still losing weight just through my normal healthy fitness routine. And then I definitely gained weight in July, like, well, I would say like mid-June towards July. And that's so like you've got like my birthday and then my husband's birthday is right at the beginning of July. And then you've got the holidays of the 4th of July. And then I just graduated. So it was a lot of celebrating, a lot of eating a lot of celebratory food in the last couple of months. And that is definitely why the theme of this Plan With Me voiceover was health and fitness, because it is at the forefront of my mind right now, because I'm definitely wanting to make it a goal to really get myself back on my healthy eating regimen and workout schedule. So that's what's up with me right now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you're interested in these questions, they will be in the description box. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're having an amazing day. See you next video. Bye.